Well, even in the deep misery, I felt my energy revive. And I said to myself, in spite of everything, I shall rise again. I will take up my pencil, which I have forsaken in great discouragement, and I will go on with my writing. From that moment, everything has seemed transformed in me.
Fuck on your nose, I'ma scream louder than other than boys. Can you believe it? Of course you did it. I'ma take vacations only when I'll be gone. That is my choice, I love my choices. I'm in a sick but I stick on my voice. Crew summer in a vision, so I make a song trying to bring back that shit in my voice. Fuck on your cause, fuck all you want. If you got no strategy, we gon' move on. Give me some fun the next month of my life. I got too many ideas, not enough time. Not enough space, but it's high in my mind. But to high in my beat for the customer line. I make 10K this week, I gave my mama 9. But the money won't ever stop me from the ground.
I feel it coming, I won't get no grace. I feel it coming, I won't ask for help. The summer's ready as a taste from hell. Will I ever be the same? Oh, Bob, I gotta be a man.
Fuck all your friends, fuck all of them. Don't need just me in the top of the fame. I'm like an energy, you see my face, don't invite me no more. I don't pop the champagne. Fuck all your clubs and the domain. I don't do show guys if you're lame. All you doing niggas, you're heading that dress from a shit late. When you next with me, I'm talking to myself that the only advice I keep on losing weight. But it is when the price as long as you got hands, motherfucker, you're right there. I admit I might have done too much sacrifices, but now they fucking with the name. Not everybody will like you anyway. Nah, lot of bodies in my case. Got them in my pockets, haters and but hasn't been.
I feel it coming, I won't get no grace. I feel it coming, I won't ask for help. The summer's ready as a taste from hell. Will I ever be the same? Oh, mama, gotta be a man.
Powers for the rain, closer to the end when I touch the finish line. Will you see what was hidden at the bottom of my mind? Now you can raise your hands, give me powers for the rain, closer to the end when I touch the finish line. Will you see what was hidden at